Pero, yun nga, dahil tao ka lang.
Na 100 times.
Pwede rin naman, di ba?
Pwede rin.
Nasa sa tao yung kung gaano mo siya, kung gaano mo siya ay mawala sa buhay mo. Kasi minsan ng mga tao, minsan magkakamali isang beses, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Pero sa pang-anim pala, doon pala siya matututo eh. Bakit hindi? Pero kung mali mo, di ba, sa pang-anim na yun, pero siya pala talaga yung taong nakalaan para sa'yo.
Pero mahirap din yun, ha?
Ayun, that contradicts Sarah's ingatan ng sarili din, mahalin din ang sarili.
Oo eh. Di ba kailangan alam mo rin kung hanggang saan
Alam.
yung... Ha?
Natalo na kayo, kaya
May limit na. Yung, may limitasyon din eh. Kailangan makita mo rin kung masyado ka na bang nakakalimutan mo na mahalin din yung sarili mo or mahalin yung, alimbawa, yung mga ibang tao sa paligid mo o unang-una yung Diyos, di ba? So, ay in a case-to-case basis siguro.
doon mo makikita ang lumang tao si Coco, ano. Talagang ano, yung old school siya eh. Yung lalaki ng unang panahon na mapagmahal na bibigyan ng pagkakataon. Okay, more questions? Parang wala naman ako matinong sinabi. Go, meron ka pa? Meron pa?
Cherry, kumusta po sila sa set?
Okay naman sila.
Pwede niyo po, meron po
Go, direction.
Masaya kami sa set. Swerte ko nga wala. Alam mo, ang bawat director, I'm sure, I'm speaking in behalf of other directors. Bago mag-start ng pelikula, pinagdarasal namin, wala sanang buraot, walang daot, walang diva, walang ano. Lahat po na yung ginrant ng Diyos sa akin sa pelikula ng Awa ng Diyos. Kasi ang lalaki nila mga artista, walang nag-attitude, walang... Yung mga dreaded ng mga director, yung nag-walk out. Babalik ko ba yung punyetang yan? Ano ba yan? Okay, yung sobrang tigas ng ulo. Ayaw gawin yung sa eksena. Ang dami kong ganyan. Wala kaming ganon. Lilinawin ko na ngayon, open communication line. Kasi
Wala namang
nasabi ko
nagpapaka
sa press,
sarili.
open relationship eh.
Oo, pinapaka pang sarili, parang teleserye.
Oo, ibang ganon. Masaya lang po kami, kahit pagod. Basta open communication lines kasi kami. So pag may gusto sabihin si Sarah, gustong ginawin, silang dalawa, madalas nakikita ko, nag-uusap, narinig ko sa lapel. Sila on their own, binubuo nila yung eksena. Diba, iba-block ko sila, pag talikod ko, narinig ko sila. Oh, Pox, ganito, oh, Sars, ganito, pag ano. Nakakatuwa talaga. Tapos kahit yun, kahit pagod kami, nakangiti lahat pag-pack up, wala yung, basta yung, alam niyo yun, walang mabigat. So, makikita niyo po hanggang ng movie rin pag pinanood nyo.
Thank you, Diner.
Thank you.
We'll entertain mga 92 questions na lang, ha? Go ahead, sis.
I'm Shinky Madrona from The Showbook. Yung tanong ko sa creative team, yung casting ba kay Rufa Gutierrez, was lahat automatic or ano yung...
Anong automatic? Nung sinabi niya, ano, ayan na, parang andyan na siya.
Oo, parang siya. Ganon.
How did it,
Paano yung
happen?
process?
How did she
Actually, we were brainstorming. It was like a 5-minute thing. It was a matter of who would be the perfect foil for Stephanie. Parang sino yung pwedeng mukhang igagalang ni Stephanie at gugustuhin ni Stephanie maging siya, but at the same time would also be a perfect contrast for Tonyo's lack of sophistication. Ganun siya. So, iilan lang naman yung artistang yon. So parang we were like, sino kaya pwede? And then kailangan light. Hindi kailangan heavy. So nung naisip namin, may comedic possibility pag si Rufa. So we're like, Rufa, let's go. And then everybody was saying, that's such an odd pairing because she's so tall and she's so good. I'm like, that's the point. You know, I mean, you're supposed to think this isn't gonna work. But then there's something real in that relationship. When they met and fell in love, there was something about him that she fell in love with. And there was something about her that he fell in love with. We were saying the distinction between Monica and Steph is that Monica was giving Tonyo direction, but Steph was providing the inspiration. So, I mean, the perfect girl would be the one who can provide you with both the direction and the inspiration. Diba? So, parang ganon. So, we had to consider all of those things. And then, sa totoo lang, nag-story ko, it was the first time I met si Miss Rufa. It was the first time she met Coco. And her comment was like, oh my gosh, this is so it. Kasi sabi niya, oh my God, Coco, this is like the first time I'm meeting you. You're so cute pala.
Coco.
It's like, okay, this is it. Yeah, this is Monica and Tonyo. So gano'n. So parang, ano lang talaga, parang naisip lang namin siya. Kasi yun nga, parang kailangan light, hindi masyadong heavy. So siya yung naisip namin. And ako, natuwa ako sa kanya sa confrontation nila ni Tonyo. Of course, you had to edit it out, pero ang totoo nung iyak niya. Awang-awa kami sa kanya, sobra.
Makikita namin sa movie.
In-edit out muna namin. So, ano na lang, DVD.
Okay, we'll have the last question we'd like to ask. Before that, I'd like to acknowledge Tita Ethel. Andiyan si Tita Ethel pala. She's in the back. Hi, Tita Ethel. Okay, the last question will come from a gentleman over there.
I am Jude Curtalapa from Onyx Scribe. I'll direct my question to the creatives. When do you say, or when does love become, or a relationship complicated, basing on the story that you have developed?
Sorry, Paula, ang question.
When does a relationship become complicated? When does love become complicated? It's very practical.
I think, ako personally, from the get-go, I think love is already complicated. It's a matter of the two people trying to find the simplicity in it to make it work. Kasi you have to compromise yourself and everything you know and you have para mag-work yung relationship and yung love ninyo. So, of course, may highs and lows, may times na more complicated, may times na mas simple. Pero, ayun, I think it's always complicated if you really think about it.
Ako I'd like to add lang. Kasi di ba parang sa pelikula, sinasabi ni Sarah ngayon na mahirap sabihin yung there was never an us. And sinasabi nila, kahit sila nagtatalo sila kung naging sila ba or hindi, kung may label ba o hindi. Ako feeling ko naman, natutunan ko rin from this film is, nagiging komplikado. Ang lahat naman ng bagay is kapag hindi mo siya hinaharap. And siguro yun yung natutunan ko both from Tonyo and Stephanie na nung hinarap nila kung ano talagang nararamdaman nila, nung hinarap ni Stephanie, sinabi niya na, totoo, pero masakit na there was never an us. Doon naman talaga nagiging mas smooth yung mga bagay. Feeling ko, yun, nagiging komplikado ang pag-ibig at ang relasyon kapag hindi mo siya hinaharap at kapag hindi mo kino-confront kung ano yung dapat mong i-recognize sa sarili mo, sa partner mo, ganun. So, yun yung magandang natutunan ko sa pelikula.
Tsaka pagka hindi ka totoo sa sarili mo, yun ang pinaka-importante. Kasi kung hindi ka totoo sa sarili mo, paano ka magiging totoo dun sa ibang tao?
I just want
The status, the label, it can be complicated. But I think true love is complex. Complex is different from complicated eh. Kasi when you say it's complicated, it's fussy, magulo siya. Kaya nga MU, magulong usapan, malamong ugnayan, malanding ugnayan, kung ano-anong MU